Unit 4, Mixed Review, number 11. Mount Everest is about 5.487 miles high. What is this number rounded to the nearest hundredth? So this is one of those easy rounding questions. We want to go to the nearest hundredth. So we take our number, 5.487, and label our places. So the 5 is in the ones place. The 4 is in the tenths, 10, because it's one place after the decimal. 8 is in the hundredths. And 7 is in the thousandths, 3 zeros, because we're 3 places behind the decimal. And so the hundredths place is our 8. We look behind it to find out what to do with it. So we've got a 7 behind it. Remember, think of that balloon. I'm holding an 8 balloon, and I'm counting to 7. Well, I'm going to be letting go of that balloon as soon as I get to 5, so my balloon will be going up, which means the 8 is going to go up to a 9. Everything to the left stays, so the 5 stays, the 4 stays, and what's behind it becomes a 0. But we don't need that 0. We drop off zeros that are behind the decimal at the end of numbers because they don't need to be there. And so correct answer would be 5 and 49 hundredths.